Hello guys, today I will take a video to explain how we make a sample cabinet before mass production. We will make the laminate vanity cabinet for one of our clients who needs it for his hotel renovation. Product specification as following. Once we start the project, the first thing we have to do is making all the cabinet manufacturing drawing for our client. This drawing will let our client understand what the cabinet construction is. Okay, now let's start assembling and do the quality inspection. In this cabinet, we use the cam lock system to fasten the panel together. This is the screw and this is the cam. This vanity is combined by two 40mm side panel, one 40mm bottom panel, two back panel, and one middle panel. First, we use the cam lock to fasten the two back panels to the middle panel. Two back panel, one is white color on the white side, and the other one is wood gray color on the left hand side, and the middle panel with the cutting off on the top. Now we join these three already fastened panels to the bottom panel at the same time, then drive the cam tightly to the screw. Now we assemble the front strip, then the right hand side panel, and then the left hand side panel. Now it is right hand side panel. Okay, it is left hand side panel now. Hey guys, don't forget to tie up all the cam on the front strip. And don't miss any cam under the bottom panel. Now we install the drawer box. The drawer boxes also connected by the camlock system. It makes us finish the assembling very quickly. Now, we fit the drawer slider on the carcass. Because we drew the screw hole on the cabinet, it makes us install the drawer slider on the carcass very quickly and very efficiently. Now, we join the drawer front to the drawer box. Okay, the cabinet is done. Let's tap the soft closing drawer. Great. So far everything is looking great. Now the vanity is ready to assemble. Let's check the quality carefully. What do we need to check? The joint line of different panels. If the joint line is uneven, checking the action band quality. If the joint line is seamless, checking if the color of the action band same color as the laminate. Checking the hardware working status. Can you see the joint line is even? Bob, can you see the joint line is even? No up and down. The action band and the panel is seamless. Action band color is not exactly same as the laminate color. Because it is a sample, I only could find the most similar color to match with the Formica laminate. But for the project, I guarantee I will customize the action band color, make it 98% similar to the Formica laminate color. Now, let's install the bench top on the cabinet. That is the 20mm pure white color quartz stone with square undermount basing. Bench top with both and front edge polishing. This is the LED mirror. The LED lighting style is followed with what our client requires. Now, let me hang it on the wall and test the LED lighting. Let me insert the plug to this switch. Okay, once I touch the button on the mirror, the LED lighting will turn on, and once I touch it again, the LED lighting will turn off. And there is another button for the fogger. Okay, Bob, I hope you could understand how easy to assemble the cabinet together and how we could make the job done easily. Don't worry about assembling KE's cabinet. KE's feature 1. Good machine to make the quality cabinet. 2. Sample text before mass production. 3. We pre-drill all the screw holes for the cabinet assembling. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video can explain you how KEQC tests the sample before mass production. If you want to know some other subject about KE or our cabinet, please give me comment. KE is the cabinetry expert. We make the kitchen cabinet, vanity cabinet, laundry, wardrobe and other cabinets for wholesaler and building projects for developer, building construction company, and hotel renovation. So you need that to do the quotation for your project? Please send that email without hesitation.